I'll win in court, Peter Obi says when asked if he will contest in 2027 if he loses at electoral tribunal.
It's always very interesting having you. Just to be clear, are you going to accept the outcome of the court, whichever way it swings?
I won't say anything until when it happens.
But you have...
and I'll make my comments.
You say you trust the judiciary.
I trust the judiciary. I believe they know what is happening in society. They live within the society, and they will do the right things for the society.
You know, we could continue this conversation, and I know you two, you can continue with us, but we have to let you go. And we really appreciate your time this morning.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Peter Obi, the presidential candidate.
Able to prove that you won the election. Are you returning in 2027 to contest again?
Well, I won't say anything, but I can tell you, it's not a question of proving whether I won, you know. It is a question of that the election had issues, and those issues will be sorted out in court. I'll be shocked if this country goes on with that situation. It will then stamp that it is a complete criminalized country. We can't allow it. We need to start unbundling this criminality. And that's why people are calling about structure. When they were advertising structure or no structure, it is this criminality and fraud that we witness is what they're talking about. And we want to unbundle it for the sake of